Nice spinny aerial there. It's the most important thing to do on your aerials.
Oh, a nice powerful shot from Bumblebee. Can she make a pass from this? Yeah, that's a great setter. Camilla's up.
Not close.
Ah, it's wide.
It's still in a dangerous position, and Camille gets its first goal.
Three wants to challenge, does get blocked. Still a Camille back.
And has a chance. It's a shot and go. There's
It's
no one back.
and it's in. So, there's the jackpot. He takes a shot and it's double touching in.
Gonna see a nice goal. Yeah, we're gonna see a really
Wow! Great angle.
Staying
What
in
is this?
position.
There it is.
Bottom
William Pryor gets an
scored.
OT.
There we have it.
The exact 4-minute mark. I think that's one of the longest OTs we've seen so far in Orobot. Well, just keeps missing that one boost pad that's in the middle. And now it has it.
Expect big plays now.
He's going for a T-pose.